guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tanja Oriana, and today we will be working with the company Love Me Hair. They sent me over their 13x4 curly bob. It is in 8 inches, and yeah, this is what comes in the packaging. It's one of those like brushes that y'all seen advertising on Instagram. Some wig caps, of course, which are great because I love getting free wig caps. This like holographic kind of bag, it's really cute. It's different from the usual purple bag that they give you. It's this like headband thingy. It kind of has like wire in it, elastic band, a Love Me clip, which is so cute, a edge brush, some bobby pins, and some tweezers. And that's me. And yeah, this is what the wig is looking like. It is a full 13x4 frontal, which I love because I hate when companies like don't give you the full frontal. But yeah, it comes with 3 combs in the front, comb in the back, and some adjustable straps, and it even has a little lace in the back. And like yeah, that's what the lace looks like on my skin. I did bleach and pluck this unit. It did not come bleached, but it did come a little pre-plucked. And yeah, I'm doing my ball cap already on. If you want to see a more like detailed video from start to finish, I will link it above. So I did go and use Ghost Bond as my adhesive, and then I sprayed some Got2b on top. Like I said, I do have a more detailed installed, and I will link it in the iCards or down below in the description box. I literally love the hot combs from Love Me. I didn't get this for free or anything like that. I actually got it from my mom because she got some hair from them, but they have literally the best hot combs ever. It gets so hot fast, and it literally gets your hair pressed, as you can see. I know if you order like a certain amount on their website, they do give you one for free. Yeah, you'll see me using more in the video. So I decided to leave in any clips for my baby hairs. Well, just one side. I only showed one side on camera because I never show how to do my baby hairs. So I figured, you know, why not? And I do them a little different than that video that I did put up on how to do baby hairs. So yeah, I just thought I would leave it in. Right now I'm just twisting them out in my way so, you know, the hair is just not sitting in my face because that can be annoying. And then I'm going to press it out with the hot comb because the hair is curly, so it will make it easier for you to, you know, give yourself some little swoopy swoops. So right here I am thinning them out with the tweezer because if, like, I don't know, in my opinion, sometimes if the baby hair is a little too thick on a wig, it looks really wiggish. I don't know, for some reason that's just how it be looking sometimes, so that's why I thinned it out. And then I use a razor to like give me that slant kind of cut. I'm gonna use this Tropical Roots foam. I love this stuff. I actually do really like it. I used it, that's the only product that I used on my baby hairs. And I kind of do like to use mousse when I'm doing baby hairs because it gives it like that soft look, and it doesn't make it crunchy either. If you guys are interested, you know, in saving some coins on Love Me's website, use my code TO20 to save 20% off of any wig on their entire website. That's TO20 for 20% off when you check out.
Montage, you a fool, boy.
So I decided I'm gonna do like that rubber band, that like really cute rubber band look that I see people do with their natural hair, and I've even seen people do it with their wigs. But it's super simple and self-explanatory, but when I am done with it, I will explain what I did.
Montage, you a fool, boy. Montage, you a fool, boy.
Okay, so I added these two sections right here with this back section, and then I gave this section and this section its own separate ponytail, and I just put it together like that. And yeah, so it's 1, 2, 3. It's 3 in the front and then it's 2 in the back. And then yeah, what I did on this side, I'm gonna do it on this side, but I'm gonna do that off camera because she giving me scalp, like scalp. So yeah, this is the finishing look. This is very cute, very simple, very natural. This is definitely the go-to natural hair vibes, I feel. It's a cute curl pattern too. If you are interested in this hair, I will leave all the links down below, along with my discount code so you can get money off at checkout. But yeah.